about to go pick up some cars. Y'all see what we got with us? The old man. Always acting like he old. Yo, I don't see your woman in there today. Yeah, she might catch you on the way out. She might catch you on the way out. But yeah, we about to go pick up this car that I got yesterday. Y'all see, supporting the brand, supporting my guy, Puba Motorsports. Hopefully I'm pronouncing it right, but I'm pretty sure I am. Puba Motorsport. Always support, support people who support you. Just support people just in general, like I said in the last video, $0 to support. But yeah, we out here looking for this Lincoln Navigator that I gave $500 for. So I think it was a fairly good deal. That's the only car I got. So hopefully it checks out and everything, But sometimes, it's not always about how many cars you buy. It's just about buying the right car at the right time. So hopefully this is that car at the right time, that right car at the right time. So let's get to it. Walking like he was old. I don't even remember where. It should be in one of these lanes. I don't know. We'll should find it here in a second. Yeah, I see all the cars that got sold yesterday. All these hunker junkers. They put that goddamn. They put that junker. Might as well hop in one of these cars and go find it. Riding this nice Buick right quick. Clean old Buick right here, third row seat. Clean old Buick. Hold this. What do I mean hold this shit? I gotta hold that. Oh, that's stupid. Hold on. That's dumb. Ooh, that just made me not even like this car now. This shifter. Let's go find this Lincoln. Riding with the old man. And y'all, how old do y'all think he is? Get the first person that can guess his age. 25. I cash app you $25 if y'all can guess his age. The first person that can guess his age. It's gonna be hard for y'all to guess it. I know y'all know how old I am, but we're gonna let y'all guess and see how old y'all think he is. Y'all probably gonna be like, man. And I'll reveal exactly how old he is in the next video. So hey, this is y'all chance, somebody to win. Cash out, you get free $25 just for watching the video and guessing his correct age. Where is this Lincoln at? I forget, what color does it say it is? Silver or beige?
It said beige.
I thought it was like silver, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know. We're gonna find it though. Hey, can we get through there? I ain't trying to mess this Buick up. Definitely ain't. Nope. Can't get through there. Alright, let's go find this car. Quit playing around. So, let's go look at what we got here. Lincoln Navigator. Got some good wheels on it. Got some good tires on it. Okay, need to put that up. Interior ain't in bad shape. Let's see. Battery, there's the doorknob. Good rubber. Sunroof. Missing that little back window. Little back wiper. Body's in good condition. Might as well pop the hood and check the oil and stuff. Well, where's that? Big 5.4 out there. We got cooling. Where's the oil at? That's transmission over there, so it's gotta be over there. Somewhere. Unless it's right here. Alright. Woo! Man, it's cold. You see the jump box? Let's go. Oh, look like somebody just changed it. Look like got some fresh oil in there. Let's go find it. Solid condition. Whoo, man, it's windy. Whew, man. Oh, look at that. We found a jump box. Let's see if we got any spark in it. Yep, we got some juice. Yep. Got it all fired up. Sound like it got a little vacuum leak somewhere. Y'all hear that? Like it's sucking there. Y'all hear it? Y'all hear that it's sucking air or something? Y'all hear that? So it's got a little vacuum leak from what I can hear just right off the back. It made it back, so that's always a good thing. So that's a positive that it made it back. But now we just gotta go ask him how it runs. You know his favorite saying, it runs. I bet you gonna say it again. I bet you. We answer, how it run? It run. How it run?
Runs alright, run. No rattles, no shakes.
Just gotta put, man, it's really just some minor stuff. Probably check the fuse just to see why the light ain't working on the dash. Probably just a fuse or something blown. So, y'all heard what Dad said, the old man, that's what I call him. It runs, so it runs and drives good, no shakes, no rattles. So person before had it, took great care of it. They probably just traded in just upgrade vehicle because you know it's old. It probably just interior good, just gonna need just to be wiped down. The oil is just fresh and clean, so it looked like they just recently got an oil change probably before they even traded in. You know, some people do that. Some people before they get the car, before they trade their car in, they'll go get it detailed. They'll change the oil. They'll put new tires on it, just thinking that it's really gonna bring them more value. A lot of times that stuff really doesn't bring more value to the car when you do it beforehand. You know, it really doesn't as much as people think it does, but that's always nice though. If you're gonna be trading in a vehicle, I mean, at least just clean it out, because a lot of times, you know, but a lot of times these dealers be so desperate for deals and stuff like that, they just tell the customer bring the trade in exactly how it is, so the car be just nasty, dirty and stuff like that. But I mean, why would you even want to trade in a car like that? Yeah, I understand, like, okay, if it's like a little dirt and rocks and gravel and stuff like that on the ground, like something that you need to vacuum. But when people be trading these cars, it be McDonald's cups, Spick cups, and all this other crazy stuff. Man, clean that stuff out before you go trade it in. You know, just clean out the big trash. Like, okay, if it's small trash that, you know, the detail shop, then yes. But if it's just big trash, come on, man, you gotta be better than that if you can. But I'm just going on a rant. Don't need to do that. But once again, appreciate you guys for tuning in. And if you haven't already, you know, like this video, subscribe to the channel. Y'all see the words on the back, JJ's Cars&Advice. And why I said, man, JJ's Cars&Advice, hashtag the Kia Turbo. And like I said, if you haven't already, you know, subscribe to the channel. Don't just be watching, go subscribe. It takes zero to subscribe. And also go check out my podcast. It's available on Spotify, but it's also available on my channel, but it's also going to be available on Spotify and Apple Music soon. So appreciate you guys. Once again, I'm out. Peace.